Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing rational numbers chapter. So today our topic is multiplication and division of rational numbers. Okay. So first I am taking example of multiplication of rational numbers. So first example is I am taking two rational numbers, one is positive, one is negative. So 9 by 2 multiplied minus 7 by 4. Okay. Students, if you remember, this is same as you have done in fractions, multiplication of fractions. The difference is only of sign. Okay. So first we will see, is there any common table between numerators and denominators? So no. Okay. So simply we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominators. Okay. So 9 sevens are, this is minus 7. So 9 into minus 7 is minus 63. 2 fours are 8. Now this is improper fraction. We will convert it into mixed number. So answer is minus 7, 7 by 8. Okay. So this is same as you have done in fraction. Just be careful about the sign. Okay, one negative sign, so answer will be in minus. Now I am taking next example of multiplication of rational numbers. Here it is 3 by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 over 3. So again we will write the statement, and now if you see there are some common tables. Okay, 5 fives, both have 5's common tables, so both will cancel on 1. So similarly, both have 3 as common table, so both will be cancelled at 1. Now, the question is of signs. So, signs are also cancelled. So, two signs, minus minus plus. Here in multiplication, we will not see that sign will be of bigger term in answer. No. If one negative sign is there, answer will be negative, and if two negative signs are there, both will be cancelled. It means two negative signs make one positive. Okay, it means in whole statement, if odd number of negative signs are there, means 1, 3, 5, so then answer will be negative. And if number of negative signs are in even, then answer always be positive. Okay, I hope it is clear. Why it is positive when number of negative signs are even? Because two negative signs are cancelled, they become positive. That's why. So next example I am taking of division of rational numbers. So minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. So this is same as you have done in fraction. So if division sign is there, we take its reciprocal, multiplicative inverse. Okay. So minus 4 as it is, in place of division we put multiplication sign, and 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. Okay. Now this is simple multiplication. Okay. This minus 4 can be written as minus 4 by 1 into 3 by 2. Now see if there is any common table. 2's common table, so both will be cancelled. Now what is left? Minus 2 into 3. 2 3's are 6, 1 1's are 1. And one negative sign is there, so it will be an answer. So answer is minus 6. One more example I am taking here. So here minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3. So first we will remove this division sign by taking multiplicative inverse of minus 3. Now minus 4 by 5 as it is, multiplicative inverse of this is 1 over minus 3. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So now we will solve it. Again we will write the statement. Okay, now there is no common table between the digits, So we will cancel the two negative signs, because two negative signs are there, both will be cancelled. So how will multiply? Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 4 ones are 4, 5 threes are 15, and both these negative signs will be cancelled with each other. So answer will be 4 over 15. So it's very simple and interesting. Okay, so I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.